ladies and gentlemen, April 21st, Game 4, about to begin. The Blizz in the pack. Frankie Talvito. Let's put footstool in here. Let's put Darren here. Can we get the focus right here? There we go. That's better. Alright, blowing on the whistle of period 1, game 4, April 21st. Pack versus Blizz, this should be pretty hot. Danny wins it back to fight. Fight over to Miller. He lets Treves catch up to it. Rips it. Bowling looking for Treves. Nice break up there by Miller. Good play. Yes, he's a one-man wrecking crew. Nice move there by Treves. So I know you can stop them all. Ooh, that was a nice little clip there by Jake Bowling out of midair. Still grabbed it.
I didn't know he caught that. Everyone went, ooh, I was like, oh, that's like,
that one down there, I don't know if you were reffing that game. There was like a curly one that kind of wrapped up in the post. That one was so strange.
The second and third game, yes. It was the first one, no.
Yeah, I think it, yeah.
I thought it was the first one.
Pass by Treves over to Edinburgh. Oh, finds its way to Boylan. I don't think he expected to find that. Oh, off Talvito's body. Game is not complete without Frankie lose the glove. Nice pass. Passes right to Boylan. Beautiful. Calvita lays it up for hair. Little whiff. Pass it, pass it. Good idea there by Zach. Throw it in front, never a bad idea. Stolen by Sardine over to Miller. What's up, buddy? Oh, yeah, go for it. Grab a beer in there if you want one. I was gonna say, I think I got 2 left. Yeah, how'd you feel today? Playing? Yeah, how's it look? About the same? What? How's it look? About the same. Yeah. These blue guys are tough. That first game they played today, man, they just were out of control good. Oh, man. That dude is so dangerous. He's got such a good shot. He knows how to play, too. You just know, you can tell he's played for ages. Edenburn. Damn. It's still loose. You guys' game was pretty cool too with the fucking shootout. I did not expect a 0-0 game. That never happens.
Yeah, no. You gotta keep my stick on his knee. Came across with his glove.
Dude, yeah, you had a nice move. Everybody was, like just getting stone cold. pass. Oh, shit. That was a brave shot block.
I was posting for his balls.
Oh, nice move there. Good steal. Oh, he's got it. Oh, I thought he had the top half of the net open there. Damn. Was that that's my baby?
My boy.
Oh, my boy, okay. That's a little bit better.
Let's say.
Pizza Paradise. That's where I want to be.
Very 90s living.
Oh, nice save there. Oh, shoot. Still is. Oh, man. Good to see Frankie back from his rotator cuff injury, I think it was.
Over the shoulder.
That's out of play. Look at that. Perfect pass. I was making fun of Ben earlier for the steel-toed boots.
I think they're like Air Force Ones, actually. And like, they're really nice. They look like toes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. You think they would just be so heavy to clomp around, I assume.
And he's wearing carpenter pants.
I know, he's crazy enough to... He always wears something silly. I kind of like it, though. Oh! Nice move. Deal skate right, shoot left. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. So, do you know anything about that? Okay. He used to play ice hockey at Cobble Stadium and like other leagues and stuff. He's got a bit of a reputation. He was a goalie. Mainly just like that kind of stuff, like sketching out. But when you're a goalie, you can't do that.
Yeah,
Right? Yeah, when I first came out here, I was like, oh shit, yeah, I remember you. Oh, nice move. All right, end of the first. Jeez, Frankie. You bring a backup stick?
They break my glass.
Oh my God. There was one game where one of the goalies smashed his stick and then his backup was in the car.
Yeah.
So someone went out, there was a fucking stoppage, so someone had to dig him out of, I think dug him out of stick out of there. God, I was like, what an idiot. If you're gonna smash your stick, at least have your backup on the bench. If you're gonna be a smasher. That just cracked me up. Your shits are expensive, man. I just buy regular sticks. Are goalie sticks more expensive or are they cheaper?
I think they're more expensive.
I could see it because it's more of a niche item, I guess, and more material.
But at least when I was playing in high school, I didn't care what kind of stick it was.
No.
So I think sports just got more expensive the nicer you got, but if you just bought a cheap goalie stick, you were pretty good. Right?
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, it's not really something you're shooting and passing with. I don't know. It just needs to be
Yeah, at least me, not my level.
a deflector. That's what it needs to be. All right, so this is the start of the second. Yeah, I think these scoreboards are tough. It's like 1978 technology. Ooh, that was a nice little flick pass. Four on two if they hurry. Oh, that was a nice play. Ooh, nice poke. Got it back. Frankie. Oh. Yeah, that was beautiful. I feel like Jake had a good game one, too. Ooh. That's still a play. Oh, man. Pass out. Yeah, their ball possession game is strong.
That's right, guys.
Go off my head.
Huh? Oh, for sure.
That's how the girl that goes when I was a breakout.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Ooh, good stick there by Nathan. Nice dump. Shoot, that was close. Right to him. Oh, nice pass. Flip it up, flip it up. Oh, man. That could easily been a goal. Nice stick. Oh, he's going for it, baby. Oh, shit. Nice play. There's a breakout. There's a breakout, Jordan. Oh, there it is. Shit, yeah.
They get goals on 3-on-2s and 2-on-1s, man.
Alright.
The occasional 2-on-0.
That was just that dude in the blue helmet, Sigala. He was just like hustling, man. Did it all. And then he did the
He always hustles.
Absolutely.
I really want to give him my team.
Yeah, he's a good player. It doesn't hurt having Nathan with you because he never quits either.
Yeah.
Damn. Nice play. Nice play. Stay with it. Pair in the corner. Ooh, yeah, not enough mustard on that one. Good recovery. That play may have saved the goal. That big boy's dangerous too. Oh, nice. Way to sneak up on him. That's a nice breakout pass. Oh my gosh. Gonna break their ankles. Oh, nice move. Rips it hard. Oh yeah, nice pass. That wasn't even a super hard shot. It was well placed. That was awesome.
Lateral movement.
Yeah. That was fucking awesome.
When you play stand up like that, you just open up.
Absolutely. Yeah, you gotta move. That's probably an advantage of being on the ice is the lateral movement, like the shuffling. Yeah, I think so
A
too.
lot of goalies have sliders in their bags.
Yeah. Old boy John had those.
That's why I need to the roof.
Yep. Good play.
The thing about this game is that Willie can come back in like 2 seconds to turn it on.
Oh shit! So they've got all four. Wow. Oh, absolutely. They definitely can. Is he gonna get there? He's got there. Oh no. Oh, poor guy. I thought he touched it. A little bit too high.
You got 2 or 3 more of those in you, Jake. You got 2 or 3 more of those in you.
Please no. Onside. Nice pass, a little hot for him. Just a split second before him. Nice pick. Stick on the ice, kid. Yep. Oh, couldn't get through. Nice. Nathan gets his own rebound. Nice battle. That was slick. That was good too. Oh shoot, there's your breakout. Wow. Just no one had him. Shit, that's number 5. threading the needle. Nope. Let's get on that save, but they're not really testing them that much. They will now. Nice play. Here it comes out with it. What the? Man, he can haul ass, that little guy, Scardine.
Scardine's fast.
He really is.
He doesn't get slower. That's the thing about him, too. He's like third period, he'll be running just as fast.
Yeah, he can accelerate quick. Like, I feel like he's at top speed quick. Whoa! Out of play. I'll teach you. Yeah, he can't do that. Oh, nice save. So loose. Nice dunk. 17, yep. Fancy give and go. Off the backboards. Oh. Nice play. Nice play. Oh, loose, but it was bouncing. Just over 20 seconds left in the second. Ooh. Good defense. Oh, it's a little loose. Yep. Nope. There's always one. Oh, fuck this. There we go. 13 minutes on the clock. Period 3, game 4. It is all Pizzak. What?
Too much time arguing, you get a job by waiting.
I know. At that point, just blow it. Oop, sloppy. Oh, look at Jake Bully on the forecheck. These Blizzard boys need a goal.
Right there? They just said it was offside. So it was offside.
Oh, nice shot.
Yeah. I was yelling at the ref. Normal stuff.
Yeah. Wouldn't be a normal game without that. Nice pass right on the tape. Danny oh!
I would have called him, but I can't come back here.
Oh yeah, wrong hand. If he was left-handed, that would have been a really good chance. Stick in the ice, kid. Bonk.
But the same sound.
A little too high. We know this place.
I was thinking like that duck quack sound. The quack.
Oh, yes. That'd be good. Rips it. Nope. Whoa, you see it spin? That was funny. Good idea. Slap. Man, that guy's good. Zachary. Ooh, kept in. Nice play. Crash the net, Chris. Yeah, get up there. Yeah, he should have kept his momentum at the net. How do you get that? He knew it was him. He blended in with the sideboards. Oh, that went off the shaft of the stick, I think. Yeah, he wasn't ready for it. But it was right on his stick nonetheless.
I think all their opportunities have been like that.
Frank took it too casual. Yeah, get it out, get it out. He's good. Oh, nice pass. Rip it. Ooh, another shot. Oh, off the blocker. Bruce got it. Damn. That was a little excitement. Still have the athlete though. Wow, this is doing elbows. I actually think that's a genius idea. Yeah. Exactly, yeah. Well, and I think just like incidental contact, playing as a defenseman too, just being able to shove somebody off with a padded elbow, that could be huge. Or like all these scrums on the sideboard that always happen. Oh, good idea. Nice move by Nathan. Rips it. Stone flat. Oh. This dude's insane good. Oh, man. Yeah, finally out of the zone. Here's a breakout. See if they can pull a pack. Nope. Oh, shit. Good save.
Jake should have put it back to him in the center, I think. Because when he put that in the corner, he could cross right through the center.
Yeah, yeah.
It was wide open.
Oh, wow, shit. That was a hell of a glove. Nice. Zach Betch just got robbed. Somebody's got to take it, yeah. Risky play came out with it. Oh, shit. They're just standing there. Oh, that is one thing. Yeah, that's something I notice about your team, I think, is you guys have, maybe it's Kurt, he'll take the ball, and then like the guys there's a goal, the guys will just like watch him, and nobody moves around.
Oh, no.
They just stay and watch him, or like, insert other guy, like.
A lot of first timers on our team.
Yeah, out here you really gotta, especially if you're just a winger or a forward, like you gotta keep getting open. There's a lot of open ground and you can't cover all of it. Nice kid. Ooh, good pass. 3-on-2. Loose. Oh, it is loose. Better than the icing. No rink wide. Nope, rink wide. Uh-oh. All right, nice hustle. Yeah, he went through like several guys. That was awesome. Really nice. That was a nice slick move. Holy shit. It's like, I don't know what to do to you. Nice pass. Boys are getting tired. Rip. 30 seconds left. There she goes. That's the end of game 4. Final score 5-1. That was all packed.